We all know that Android devices come in a lot of different shapes, sizes, and different price points as well. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly device with a focus on gaming, this might just be the smartphone for you. Say hello to the Tecno Pova 4 Pro, which might just be the best gaming device for under $300. For this video, we've partnered with Tecno to give you a first look at the Pova 4 Pro. So let's start things off with a quick unboxing. Now, for a budget-friendly device costing roughly $260 the Pova 4 Pro is actually pretty impressive. And for me, the highlight of everything here is actually going to be the 6.66-inch 90Hz AMOLED display, since usually at this price point, we're treated to lower quality 60Hz LCD panels rather than something that's as good as this one. And the phone also punches above its weight when it comes to battery life and charging as well, with a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, which should be more than enough to get you through 2 full days on a single charge. And Tecno's also included a pretty beefy 45-watt charger in the box that can manage to charge that 6,000 milliamp hour battery up to 50% in just 24 minutes. As for the other specifications, the phone is powered by a MediaTek chipset, the Helio G99, with 8 GB of RAM and also 256 GB of storage. But if that's not enough for you, there is also a microSD card slot to expand the storage even higher. Now, when it comes to the overall performance of that chipset, the MediaTek Helio G99 allows you to play games like Call of Duty Mobile on medium graphic settings with a refresh rate set to high. So far, I've actually logged about 2 hours of gameplay on this device, and honestly, I have no real complaints. I especially like how the 2 hours of gameplay on this smartphone only reduced the battery by about 35%, when compared to so many other high-end flagship devices, you typically get about a 50% drain when using the phone for that long while gaming. And you also get pretty much the same experience when playing PUBG Mobile, though you will be able to bump up those graphics to HD with the refresh rate set to high as well. The phone is even capable of playing Genshin Impact, something that I honestly thought it wouldn't be able to do, though you will have to have the settings set on low, which is pretty understandable considering that it's one of the most graphic-intensive games currently available. But if you're not always playing high-end games or simply using the device for regular day-to-day use, you can always jump into the Battery Lab section within the settings and enable the Power Boost mode, which allows you to tweak the settings of the device that allow you to extend the battery life of this phone even more. I'm sure you probably already noticed that this isn't necessarily a thin phone, but that's because of the 6,000 milliamp hour battery on the inside. But honestly, I do like the overall look and feel of this design with the multifaceted panel on the back, which is kind of sci-fi inspired, which is perfect for a gaming-centric smartphone like this. For more details about the Tecno Pova 4 Pro, check out the link in the video description below. And also, jump into the comments and let me know what you think about this $260 gaming-centric smartphone. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.